PNP, because no Labour right is going to make any PNP trying to twist their mind. The facts are there. You have your country to run. You have the doctor who has performed, who has shown you what he can do. And then, with the most illogical reasoning, you say, Chuck, me not go with the doctor. We have a proven track record. Me go with the doctor where you don't know. Eh? What kind of reason is that? And there are a lot of people who think like that. Well, all of you have a decision to make. And you have to make the right choice. And if you're going to make the right choice, you have to look at the doctor, the leader who has performed, who has delivered, who has a track record. And what we present to the Jamaican people is a track record of performance. We are not saying we are perfect. We are not saying that we have done everything right. But we can say without any fear of contradiction that we have done much better than any PNP government has done in the history of Jamaica.